we're going to teach you guys how to make a secret message.
It's a spy thing.
Yeah.
For this experiment, we're going to need paper, lemon,
a paintbrush, and a beaker. Or you can even use a container if you don't have one. And you're also going to need an oven. And now let's start the experiment. You need to cut the lemon in half, but make sure you ask an adult to help you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Ew, that's disgusting.
It's sour.
Now let's squeeze it into the beaker.
That's a mess.
Oh, seed one in there.
It's okay if you have a seed in there.
Yuck.
It's kind of hard to squeeze a little. The hands are so tiny.
Yeah, let's see if I can get more out of here.
Okay. Yeah.
That's enough. So now that we have the lemon in the beaker, we're going to start drawing our secret message.
It's going to be a good secret message. Wait, I don't know what I'm drawing. I know. I might need this one. Pinkish. Looks nice. It's getting too big. I'm gonna draw it.
And I'm done. I think it might need some extra stuff.
This is fine. Stop.
I can read it, I can see it through the light.
You said my message out loud.
Fine, I'm so close. For this part of the experiment, you'll need the help of an adult to set the oven to 350 degrees and put your paper on the baking pan and put it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Then you'll see your secret message. Isn't that cool, guys?
Now we're ready to reveal our secret message. Mine is my hands reaching for a basketball. Isn't that cool? It looks like it's actually reaching for a basketball.
Mine is science. It's a C of science, and I said I love science. And this is the science thing. I forget what it's called. It's like a bowl of science. I don't know. And I said I love science. I think I already said that. And then I love science because you get to do lots of cool experiments. And this is exploding fog. Because that's what happens when sometimes it doesn't go well. It explodes.
And there you have it, guys, how to make a secret message.